Hi, I'm Donovan Keith. In this series, I'll be covering the ins and outs of Cinema 4D's cloth system and how to use it to accomplish some more common motion graphics requests. First up is a quick start tutorial that will get you up to speed with the essentials of using Cinema 4D's cloth system. Next, we'll move on to a setting-by-setting explanation of the cloth tag and how you should adjust each parameter to get the effect that you're looking for. We'll follow that up with a few mini projects where we break down the use of cloth simulation in a simple motion graphics or VFX shot. We'll start with a flag flapping in the wind, a curtain dropping onto a stage, an unfurling banner in front of a castle, or a team breaking through a banner at the start of a game, something like that. We'll even tackle some more abstract effects like ribbons flying through space. And then some things that are surprisingly technical, like opening a set of curtains or closing it. All right, let's start going over Cinema 4D's cloth system so that you can add some punch to your projects.